Ready? 3, 2, 1, start. Former Chief Justice of India D.Y. Chandrachud has made an admission of communal bias in his reading of history. Full stop. He told journalist Srinivasan Jain in an interview that the making of the Babri Masjid in the 16th century was an act of desecration. Full stop. The communally pregnant assertion parrots India's Hindu extremists who claim the mosque was built by destroying a Hindu temple. Full stop. No Indian court or professional historian has backed the claim. Full stop. The view expressed by the former Chief Justice sadly bears resemblance to Quake historians from the Hindu right who periodically write about the Taj Mahal being a Hindu temple. Full stop. What is particularly disturbing about Mr. Chandrachud's comments is that he was on the five-member bench that delivered a unanimous verdict on the Ayodhya dispute in 2019, paving the way for the construction of a temple to Ram at the site of the raised mosque. Full stop. Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated it on the eve of the 2024 elections. Full stop. In the Ayodhya judgment, the bench had clarified that there was no evidence of any structure being demolished to build the Babri Masjid and that there was a gap of several centuries between the underlying structure mentioned by the Archaeological Survey of India and its report and the Babri Masjid. Full stop. In the interview, Mr. Chandrachud cited the ASI's rejected report as the basis for his claim. Full stop. Next para. When Mr. Jain said the Hindus appear to have been rewarded for desecrating the mosque for decades, Mr. Chandrachud countered him by asking, what about the fundamental act of discretion, the very erection of the mosque? Full stop. You forgot all that happened, question mark. We forget what happened in history. Full stop. As Chief Justice, Mr. Chandrachud broke a constitutional property by inviting Mr. Modi for a televised prayer to a deity revered in his Maharashtra state. Full stop. In a slow release of his religious infections, he had admitted to seeking a Hindu deity's blessing to deliver the Ayodhya verdict. Full stop. Enter.